Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.D.Farras and I'm from 12th Natural Science 1. Today I will show you how to make black sticky rice. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Equipment that we need are pan, basin, and Tapai jar. The ingredients are black glutinous rice, some yeast, water, and several banana leaves. That's all. Thank you. Boil glutinous rice with water that has been created until the water evaporates. Okay. Pour this 2 stick rice to the clean banana leaves like this. Step 4. Sprinkle enough yeast on the black sticky rice like this. Okay. Step 5. Stir until smooth like this. Wrap black stick rice with banana leaves like this and put into the Tapai jar like this. Keep the Tapai jar and wait for 3 days. Step after 3 days, take out black sticky rice from Tapai jar. And sticky rice ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.